Did you know that the humble capsicum, often overlooked in our kitchens, holds the key to a thriving garden and a healthier lifestyle? Imagine transforming your backyard into a colorful paradise filled with sweet, crunchy bell peppers that not only elevate your meals, but also boost your health. In today's video, we'll uncover the secrets of capsicum farming and harvesting, revealing expert tips that can turn any novice gardener into a capsicum connoisseur. Are you ready? Let's get started. Capsicum, commonly known as bell pepper, is not just a colorful addition to your plate. It's a versatile crop that thrives in various climates. Did you know that capsicums are rich in vitamins A and C? They come in various colors, each with its unique flavor profile. From the sweet crunch of a red bell pepper to the mild taste of a green one, there's a capsicum for every palate. To grow healthy capsicums, you need to understand their ideal growing conditions. Capsicums thrive in warm climates, with temperatures ranging from 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. They prefer well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Before planting, ensure your soil has a pH level between 6.0 and 6.8 for optimal growth. Remember, good soil preparation is key to a successful harvest. Capsicum seeds can be sown indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Start them at a temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the seedlings are about 6 inches tall and the outdoor conditions are favorable, it's time to transplant them into your garden or farm. Space them about 18 to 24 inches apart to allow for proper growth. Once planted, your capsicum plants will need regular care. Water them consistently, especially during dry spells, but avoid overwatering. Fertilizing with a balanced fertilizer every few weeks will help promote healthy growth. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, and take action promptly to protect your plants. Now the moment we've all been waiting for, harvesting. Capsicums are typically ready to harvest 60 to 90 days after planting, depending on the variety. Look for firm, shiny fruits that have reached their full color. Use a sharp knife or scissors to cut them from the plant, leaving a small stem attached. This helps prolong their shelf life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through capsicum farming and harvesting. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy farming!